How to transition from a simple food safety program into HACCP program. Welcome. If you have encountered this page, you are probably ready to up your food business and game. The bare minimum for a recognized food safety program used to be a HACCP program, but at this age and days, you can't get away from HACCP. In fact, the new standards are the globally recognized food safety programs such as SQF, BRC, FSSC 22000. The basics. You may already have a basic food safety plan such as the one we have for provincial approval. This basic food safety plan is a simple plan that indicates the critical process with basic cleaning and sanitation, and how you would monitor them. You may also have good manufacturing procedures, GMPs. They are what we call the basics. What is HACCP? HACCP is the short name for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point. The simplified explanation of HACCP without getting into the details is that it is a systematic and scientific process to determine the most important control in your facility. We do that by incorporating GMPs and more elaborated components of food safety programs that we call prerequisite programs. Examples of prerequisite programs are the traceability program, cleaning and sanitation program, and supplier approval program. Steps. If you are a step-by-step person, I get it. That's why I am sharing how you can transition from a basic food safety plan into a HACCP plan. Understand HACCP options. Learn about HACCP. There are a number of HACCP certifications that you can learn from. Send someone to learn about HACCP programs. Hire knowledgeable food safety professionals or consultant. Develop HACCP procedures and forms. Set your HACCP team. Be inclusive. Ensure you have representatives from each department. Upgrade your procedures and forms to meet your HACCP requirements. Train your staff to follow procedures and document their work. Hire a certification body. You want to do this as soon as possible. Wait time for auditors is typically about 3 months. Keep your record for at least 3 months audit day. Be ready to answer simple questions about your process and how you meet the HACCP requirements. Every client is unique for us because you have different food, processes and operational setup, etc. We customized our HACCP development and implementation for each client. We are well known for our support, coaching and training program, which makes a difference in how we support your transition into the HACCP program. It may be daunting, uneasy and challenging, but we are here for you. Take the next, book a strategy call with us. Email us at info@foodconsulting.com.